And as always, 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 you guys know that I preach that I want for whatever you put on your exterior to match your interior styles. We're in my garage with what you guys might see as an interior chair, and that's because it is an interior chair. I love to use anything I can outside for my furniture that I think is really beautiful, if I can find a way to retrofit it. This chair has these barley twist legs that I like, they're just to die for. I didn't need them inside the house and I had to find a way to use them. So I think I bought them for like $25 for all 4 chairs at Goodwill or something. I've given them a really nice dose of oil to try to preserve that wood. And now I am exchanging the existing cotton cover for the seats, the fabric that they had there, took it off to expose the original batting, which this is like the oldest, this is the oldest batting I think that probably ever existed. And I'm going back with one of these 2 pieces of fabric. I wanted to make sure that I had the chairs cleaned and oiled so that I would know exactly what color they were going to be before I decided on the fabric for sure. But the choices were between this brown, kind of an alligator print, which I thought was really beautiful, and then this kind of a silvery gold color fabric. These are both a vinyl, which are going to resist water. The water and stains will just like roll right off. You can just wipe them clean. And as always, 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 you guys know that I preach that I want for whatever you put on your exterior to match your interior style. So that's what we're doing here. I would absolutely put either one of these fabrics inside my house. They're just more durable for outside. So I think I decided on this one. I just think it's prettier against the wood. I think that the alligator skin one, I really wanted a green alligator skin, but I couldn't find one locally sourced. I would have to buy it online and then I wouldn't know for sure if it was the color that I wanted. So I just thought I don't know, it just didn't do anything for me. So I'm gonna go with the gold one. It's a super simple project. You guys can do it easily at home, but I just wanted to show you that you absolutely can make your exterior spaces and style match your interior. We're all finished covering all of the new cushions. We're gonna put them all in place. And you guys just remember that when you are going to replace your cushions on your exterior furniture, ask yourself the question, would I put it inside? If the answer is no, don't put it on your exterior furniture either. And the great thing about this is if your interior or exterior style changes, you can just replace these cushions again. It costs less than $10 to do this project and just some simple staple gun. Remember, if you don't have an automated staple gun like I have, you can get the hand driven kind. Again, just a super easy project, inexpensive, that really changes the entire style of your exterior space.